Robots are incredibly challenging to program, to build, and to apply to most problem space. Modbot came about from telling the story of how hard it was to build a smart machine. What we see is a vision of the future where human beings no longer need to do dull, dirty, dangerous tasks.
The point of it is to make robots dramatically more accessible. It's kind of like an intent multiplier. All these people with these cool ideas can now actually execute on them, and then that'll propagate out, and then other people will have more ideas, and then they'll be able to execute on them as well.
Modularity offers to people the ability to adapt a solution to their specific problem. It allows them to change that solution on the fly as the changing needs of their problem arise. So a great advantage that Modbot has over others is that we have started with modularity in mind. We have solved the challenging problems of really quick and highly reliable plug-and-play mechanical and electrical interfaces, which allows us to be able to build up solutions on top of that modularity very easily.
We've worked with some of the biggest, most advanced brands in industry. We've worked with Siemens and Boeing, and we've helped them solve some unique problems. I think, however, the most exciting big opportunity is the idea that small businesses that have never had a robot before can now build something that matches their requirements and saves them or makes them money, and has the potential to impact tens of thousands of businesses. When we started out, we needed tools that were fast, easy to pick up and learn. In Fusion 360, we can quickly flip between modeling, rendering, and FEA. They've basically taken the learnings from the 30-year history of 3D design and rebuilt it.
It felt like there was a kindred spirit. Both of us, Modbot and Fusion 360, were startups in our own space. We had a vision of disrupting the status quo. It's very satisfying to see this startup that I saw 4 years back grow into a mature company that is ready to launch into the robotic space.
I was able to give them a lot of feedback and actually listen. We found that over the years, the tool actually grew and developed with us. As our requirements went up, the tool got better and better, and features that we requested appeared.
Our entire company is dependent upon Fusion 360, and this whole ecosystem can now talk to each other because of this cloud connectivity. You can comment through it, you can share these files.
You don't have to hand wave too much, saying that it looks like this, it's got to get in that way. You can actually kind of pull up the 3D model, or they can pull it up. So it certainly decreases the barriers of communication.
The opportunity is to put a platform in front of people that allows more and more people to be applying robotics to their problems. And the more people that get access to that technology, the more they can apply that, the more interesting robots we start seeing in our real world.